Hola everybody, it is your amigo Leandro, also known as Señor Performo. And guess what? I'm gonna be presenting a tutorial on the Automation Star Conference on this 9th and 10th of October 2024. This tutorial is named Ramping Up Your Modern Performance, on which you will have half a day of learning, experience, and lots of exercises where I'm gonna teach you how to ramp up into modern performance testing practices so that your agile, continuous, and DevOps projects are not facing these issues at the end of the second week of the sprint, always trying to push lots of load tests, have isolated environments, and doing the things probably in the wrong way. In this tutorial, you're going to learn how to do continuous performance testing, how to easily integrate it into your pipelines, to have reports that are super transparent for everyone, and much more. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe for the conference, subscribe for the tutorial. I look forward to seeing you all there and to teach, learn, and share a very good time. Adios, or should I say, auf Wiedersehen und bis bald. See you soon.